Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today I'm on integrating technology and I'm going to show you how you can share your course profile. So let me go into a course here. Need to register. Now I'm in the course. I'm going to go to the top right here and into my profile. Under profile, I'm going to scroll down until I get to the course that I want to share. In this case, it's this one. And notice I'm going to go now into the top browser window, copy, there we are, copy the link. And then I'm going to share the link of my profile. And yes, this is my profile in Moodle for this particular course. Now, this is important because later on, notice there are a few courses here. I'm going to also show you how to get my reports. And in this, I can go into outline report now that I'm in the course. But you need to be in the course to be able to share the profile or go into your outline report and show everything that you have done in the course. Now, this is a new course, so I haven't done anything, but it will appear here once I start working in the course. Let me know if you have any questions. This is a Moodle learning management system. Anything about Moodle or how to share your course profile. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and looking forward to seeing your course profile.